Oh my god, I didn't do no intro. Quick intro. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a pre-birthday video. It's a get ready with me. Watch how I get ready for my birthday, y'all. Stay tuned. Let's go. Let's get it. Alright, y'all. So the first thing we're gonna start before we get into installing this beautiful wig, we're gonna start with plucking the hair. Yes, the hair did come pre-plucked. However, I like to add my little bit touches to my hair because pre-plucked is not always to my liking, as y'all can see on the opposite side. So this is just how it looks when I plucked it myself, a little bit more, and the opposite side that I just showed you guys is how it came. Yeah, we want that baby to pretty much definitely like pluck a little bit more so she could give no lace. Okay, y'all, so along the way of doing hair and wigs and stuff like that, I had learned a technique because before I usually use the water method to pluck, but I learned a technique that using heat was more was a better and more efficient way when you're doing your plucking. So I started doing that, and it really is more efficient. You get to pluck faster, you get to see what's happening more, you get to see what area you need to focus more on and stuff like that. So you're gonna see me go through this on both sides. I'm gonna pluck both sides of the hair, okay, y'all? Pre-birthday ice cream break, y'all. I had to take an ice cream break. I was at this for hours. So of course your girl gotta get her a little something something, okay? Now we going back to the process after that. So we cutting out our ear holes, and we gonna got to be that baby, okay? Got to be her right all the way down. Alright, y'all, so it's time to cut our lace, and I'm going in sections, same as how I'm gonna do the wig. um this scissor was pretty much very dull, so I had to go in and use the hair eyebrow razor to finish the job. Please make sure you guys use a strong cutting scissor. You could use like the mini doctor scissor, those are normally better, but for for the purpose of this video, I had to use what I could find at the moment. After that, I'm going in, after I cut off all the lace, I'm gonna go ahead and those little flaps that are out, I'm gonna peel it back a little bit, and then I'm gonna take my time and trim it just so that it can make the wig seamless. And then, as you know, when you fast forward, I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I laid those little pieces that I peel back a little bit to to make the wig, the cap, seamless. Okay, it's all detailed, guys, so just trust the process. um Obviously I'm not doing bad, so but pretty much just trust the process and take your time, because it's gonna take time, especially if it's your first time doing a wig and stuff. It's gonna take time, so after mastering it, you're gonna get better at it. The more you do it, you get better. Okay, so yeah, guys, it's pretty tedious, so if this is not something that you want to do, then just go to the salon and get it done. Otherwise, you can learn the skill and do it yourself. Okay. Let me just say, guys, my plug game seems to be hella strong, because trust me, you see that wig right there? That wig is on scout mode, like literally scout mode. Alright, guys, right here I'm just stitching the back of the wig cap, because after I cut it, it's gonna have a little flappy piece at the end. So I'm just stitching it with my my needle and my thread, and then I'm gonna cut it off and make a knot, and then cut off the remaining, as you guys can see I'm doing in the video. You don't have to do this. You can if you want to. I like to do this because I don't have to worry about my hair be out in the back when I put a wig on. Like I said, you don't have to do this. You have support in the back of your wig. Alright, so the cap is on, and we're just going to use some alcohol, clean up the outer area of the cap. Then we're going to go ahead and we're going to tame it so that it could look seamless. So when you have your wig on, you could be like, what lace? You feel me? Yeah. Alright guys, so now our cap is ready and we're going to lay it. So I'm going in with the spray and I'm going to let it dry. After letting it dry, I'm going to go in with my comb and I'm just going to press down the flyaways. We're not perfect, so our cap is not going to always be seamless. So you got to brush it up and make changes to it once you get that done. I'm going to go ahead, use my blow dryer, and I'm going to get that dried. Once I get that dried, I'm going to go over that with the glue a little bit in front of the cap. And you could do this as much time as you want. So you could do any amount of layers. You could do more than one layer. You could do 2, 3, 4, 5 layer. Like I said, I sweat a lot, so I'm doing multiple layers because I want this to get stuck. I want it to stay on my head. I don't want it to come off until I say I'm ready for it to come off. Okay, so you could do it to your required liking. So I'm just brushing it up, touching up the edges and everything to make it seamless and, you know. Yeah, I look so exhausted, but trust me, I'm probably just bored or something. I probably was exhausted because it's a long process. Anyways, too much talking. I'm going in with my foundation for my skin color. I'm not sure. I forgot the name of the foundation, so I'll just put it in the bio if you guys want to know. So yeah, just do that all over your cap. Yeah guys, throughout this process I am adding got to be, I'm letting it dry, and then I'm going back in with the got to be spray. The reason for me doing this is because I have really sweaty skin, so I sweat a lot and I want my wig to be snatched, y'all, because when I start sweating and I'm outside, I don't want this wig to come off my head and embarrass me in front of the whole like environment that I'm gonna be in. So I'm doing that because I sweat a lot. I sweat through my hair as well, so this is the reason for me doing this. You don't have to do this process. This is optional, but this is how I do my thing, okay? Yeah, so don't come out here judging, because I know some of y'all like to be some negative Nancy's. We don't want no negative Nancy's on our channel. So if you're gonna be negative, just exit, please. I don't need it. Alright guys, so right here I just basically placed the wig and I'm cutting out the ear tabs, so when I'm ready to like lay the wig down, then it's gonna be an easy process. I like to do 4 slits as well, so into the lace, so I cut it out in sections. That makes it easier and a lot more seamless and more to the hairline. Like I said, if you guys want a detailed video, I could definitely do that for you guys. But time is against us and we needed to hurry up. This video is going to be 2 parts, so I definitely is going to speed up this video a lot. Alright guys, fast forward, the wig is on, the edges is done, and everything is done. We're going to go right into styling the hair and putting it up, because as y'all already know, this is the day before my birthday, so you got to get that hair on fleek, them edges on sleek, that wig on tack, and you got to do your thing. Of course, if you want a more detailed video to see every single thing by as to how you put your wig on and blah blah blah, I can do a more detailed video for you guys. However, because of the celebration and because I want to upload for you guys every day for this month, I was not able to put everything in the video because y'all were gonna, if I did that, y'all are gonna have like 3 different videos. And however, remember, I have to edit them, so it's gonna take some time for me to edit. Okay, so just be sympathetic guys. So like I said, I will be able to upload a more detailed video if you guys would like that, so just let me know down in the comment section. So this whole part of the video is just me styling. Of course, you guys might know a little bit about styling. All I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just press the hair out with my hot comb, and then because the hair already has its velocity already, so I decided that I didn't want to change the velocity that it has because I kind of liked it, and I think it would give me like that bouncy back in the day kind of poofy look. So I decided that instead of changing the velocity and using my curled wand, I'm just gonna use the hot comb to just give the hair some heat, and I'm gonna use my curling rods to just pin the hair back into the same curling pattern that it came into to keep the velocity. Okay guys, and you guys are gonna see exactly how that comes out and exactly what I mean by that. But this was like really good, a really good wig. This would have been a wig that you guys would have won if y'all wanted to stay tuned for the giveaway, but because y'all didn't want to participate for that giveaway, it's your loss. So here we go.